Welcome to Classic Drive Zone, your trusted destination for the latest reviews, updates, and insights from the world of two-wheelers. Today, we take a closer look at a true Indian legend, the 2025 new TVS XL 100, a machine built for reliability, practicality, and performance. This iconic moped has been the workhorse for millions across the country, and the new 2025 version brings modern updates while preserving its original spirit of durability and utility. The 2025 TVS XL 100 continues to carry its familiar rugged design but now comes with a few modern enhancements. The new model features updated body panels, LED headlamp, and fresh color options that make it more stylish while maintaining its tough, functional look. The strong steel frame, flat seat, and open loading area ensure it remains the perfect choice for both personal and commercial use. Powering the new XL 100 is a 99.7 cubic centimeters fuel-injected, single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine that delivers around 4.4 horsepower of power and 6.5 Newton-meters of torque. This reliable engine is tuned for excellent mileage and low maintenance. With iTouch Start technology, the XL 100 starts effortlessly and offers smooth acceleration even when carrying heavy loads. The EcoThrust fuel injection (ET5) ensures improved fuel efficiency and better throttle response, making it ideal for daily use. The TVS XL 100 is designed with comfort and utility in mind. It features a long, cushioned seat, telescopic front suspension, and spring-loaded rear shocks that provide a smooth ride even on rough roads. The large footboard, durable luggage carrier, and spacious legroom make it a versatile vehicle for delivery riders and families alike. TVS has also improved the build quality and ride ergonomics for added convenience. The 2025 version comes with LED lighting, semi-digital instrument cluster, and USB charging port, ensuring practicality for modern users. The new silent start system adds refinement, while the combined braking system, CBS, enhances safety and control during quick stops. The 2025 TVS XL 100 stays true to its legacy of strength, reliability, and affordability. With its updated styling, refined engine, and improved features, it continues to be the go-to two-wheeler for riders who value performance and purpose. Whether for business or daily commuting, the XL 100 remains a symbol of trust and endurance on Indian roads. Stay connected with Classic Drive Zone for more reviews, updates, and insights on the most exciting two-wheelers of 2025.